In this video, I want to show you how I created this slow shadow paper effect. Let's start right away. Quick mention before we jump in, Picture Collage Effects is my editing pack that will give you videos that unique, really creative look without spending hours on editing. Just edit where you want it, replace the images with a simple drag and drop, and you're done. Check out the link in the description to find out more about Picture Collage Effects. Okay, back to the tutorial. I have one video in the timeline for this effect, and I'm going to start by duplicating the video. Then I'm going to create a mask around the top video, and I'm just going to mask out the subject and increase the feather. After that, I'll change the color on the bottom video to black and white, so I'll just decrease the saturation. Next, I'm adding radial blur effect. Don't worry if you don't have this one, you can use directional blur, it's basically the same. And I'm also going to apply lens distortion. Keyframe it at the start, then move at the end and decrease it to around -50. Okay, now my favorite part of the effect are paper textures. I'm using the ones from Ultimate Texture Bundle V2. I definitely like and use this one the most. I'll have it linked down below, as well as the code for you to get $5 off, and you can actually use my code for any pack from the website and get a discount. I'll drag about 5 textures and make each of them 5 frames long. Place them above the footage and just duplicate them until the video ends. Then I'm going to nest them together and change the blend mode to screen. And I always go to the curve step and bring it down a bit to give it more of a contrast. If it's still too much for you, you can always reduce the opacity. Okay, now I'll nest these two videos and apply posterize time on both of them and on paper textures as well. And I'll change it to 16. For the final touch, I'm creating an adjustment layer and adding noise effect. Change it to 20 and check color noise. And that's it. Make sure to like this video, it really helps me as a creator to reach out and help more people like you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.